Hey guys, I'm Amit Kumar and welcome to this video in which we are going to talk about operator precedence. So an operator precedence decides the order of execution of the operator, though the order of precedence can be modified using parentheses. Now definitely operator precedence matters when in an expression we are having more than one operators. Apex follows this specific precedence for operators to decide the order of execution. So you can clearly see parentheses, braces and increment decrement operator are having the highest precedence, where the assignment and shorthand assignment operators are having the lowest precedence. And that is obvious because in any expression, assignment is the last operation that we perform. As I told you, parentheses can be used to override the order of execution, and we have already seen in one of our example where we were concatenating more than one variables to a string with and without parentheses. So according to the order of precedence, if we are having multiplication and plus together, or divide or plus, or divide or minus together in an expression, then definitely multiplication or division will be performed first before plus and minus. Now one question may arise, what will happen if operators of the same precedence is used? So in that case, the rule of associativity comes into play. But to understand it in a simpler fashion, you can say that operation will be performed first, which is making the least effect on the overall expression. For example, if a plus operator is affecting the expression for more than one operands and a minus one is affecting on only one operand, then definitely minus will be performed first. Or you can do it from the corners itself. So whichsoever will be at the corner, whether it is left or right, that will be performed first. So guys, that marks the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.